Yeah, what's happened?
Do you like fidget spinners?
Yeah.
Today I have a full fidget spinner box for you.
Yay!
So let's go for it.
And make a video.
Hey guys, it's me Udit this side, and you know me. Today it's my another fidget spinner video, and today I'm with I'm always for fidget spinners video. I'm always with my friend Nandish.
Because I have the most spinners and
I will. So Nandish, say hi. It's your
Hi.
channel also, yaar.
so let's do it. Let's unbox it. We'll do stone, paper, scissors to unbox it. Alright guys?
to check who's the first.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. I have an idea.
Yeah, good idea. Stone, paper, scissors.
Yeah, it's me. So guys, first I'm choosing. Wait, guys, you can keep it like this only. So guys, in our first go is a dollar fidget spinner. It's my fidget spinner and it's very old and still it works. Is it nice, guys? Write down in comment section that
Yeah, what
do you
happened
like
to
this video or not?
spinner?
Who shouldn't this spinner? What
This
happened?
came out. It's bad.
Wait, guys,
Yo.
we'll come in a second.
This is another dollar spinner. It's a keyring spinner. See, when you spin it like this, it's pretty small. Smallest spinner of my Udit and everybody. This you keep it in your thumb. in your finger.
Or
Hold
anywhere.
it like this. Hold it like this.
If it falls, there is no risk because it's attached to you.
So next, Udit starts.
Guys, now I have a six-sided fidget spinner. It's the smoothest of all and the king of all. No, not the king. King
It's
is
a
someone else.
queen.
It's a queen. So guys, I want to show you something. It can transform also. See, you can just take it out. Should I make it two? Okay, let's make it two-sided. Guys, as you can see, I can take out the bearings like this. Isn't it cool? Nandish, how much for it?
999.
No, it was not 999.
It's 999.
I searched in Amazon 857. You can buy.
No.
Oh,
999
did you bought it
for
from Amazon?
Yes.
I saw on Flipkart. It's of you can prefer. I prefer you can buy it from Flipkart. So now as you can see, I made it two-sided. So now Nandish will be showing you a fidget spinner.
The Captain America shield spinner. And if you can see if you spin it from this side, you can see anything because it's a halo design. So you can see anything that if it's spinning, or you can.
But when you spin it, see it from back side.
So the back side actually it looks like this, so you can notice that it is spinning. And from the voice also you can understand that spinning. This is a shunt.
My turn. Now I have a wait, guys. Guys, sorry, I didn't need this. Okay, let me show you this. Guys, I have this one. Is it cool? It's the transformer. It's gold. As you can see closely, there is some green things inside it. These are its eyes. Did you notice that, Nandish, ever?
Yes.
I saw it first, I noticed it there only. Guys,
also
it
saw
is
it
noisy,
yesterday.
but not noisy as the rainbow ones. If you ever buy a rainbow one, let me come, Nandish. It's also my video. It's because of my fault. So, if you ever, what was I saying?
If you ever have a fidget spinner,
If you ever see, I don't know.
so it's my chance, guys.
No, wait. If you ever see that this, if you ever buy a rainbow fidget spinner, you can see that it's a little bit noisy. It spins with noisy. We have two rainbow fidget spinners. We'll show you them, and Nandish is going to show you one of them. So
Next spinner is the rainbow one. As Udit said, we have two rainbows. This is one of the rainbows. Spins cool, is very fast, doesn't make a lot of noise as Udit say.
but it makes noise too much.
No, it's less noise.
But it makes noise.
Yeah, and it's Udit's chance now.
Guys, now I have the dragon eye. Is it tight?
Dragon point.
It's a dragon point spinner. It's super cool and super nice, and I just love it. And guys, it's not mine, it's Nandish, but I'll show you this one. I brought it from my home. So this is Nandish. It doesn't make a noise, but it's from which company?
It's from Iceland company.
You know, ice spin companies are cool.
It's not from Iceland company. It's a Dragon Knight spinner. From the Dragon Knight company.
No, there's a company we were seeing a video in which
This
they
is
showed-
Dragon Knight's company. Spinner.
No, in which the same company makes
Yeah, yeah.
many spinners. There was one of the dragon one also from that. What was that? Oh, we don't remember the company, but this is cool. These companies are very awesome. Guys, if you ever see someone selling fidget spinners on road, please don't buy them.
They're like
You-
Ukes. I have one of them. It just broke in 1 second, man. I just bought it.
You know, and they are made up of the plastic fallen on the road. They just melt the plastic and make it at that shape and size. That all. Never buy some fidget spinners from road. If you ever bought them, I prefer don't buy them. Okay.
Next is the rainbow spinner. The second rainbow spinner is pretty cool. Is very good.
See the problem with the rainbows.
As you see, it's pretty good.
That's why I don't like rainbows very much.
He has a rainbow dollar spinner, but it's kharab.
Actually, what happened? Rust inserted there. It was dollar. It was this much. It was this much, guys. Think of this much. This much, guys. Think. So, guys, now next is me. Guys, now I have one more six-sided. It's the Spider-Man six-sided. Isn't it cool? You can buy it for 400,
No, it's for 560.
560, and you can spend it. See the red part. I just love this, but it is also noisy. It's a second six-sided one. Let's jump in. Now, should I show you something? In my previous video, we both did some fidget spinner tricks. Please go and watch that video.
The next is the black spinner. It's 499. It's very good. It's under 500 rupees. So please buy it on Amazon. It's good.
Next is me.
Next is for the chance.
Hey guys, now we have two more Captain America, but from the both side they are normal. And what is, you see this one, you just hear it makes noise. You know what happened? Once Nandish, to make it fast, Nandish inserted some
Oil.
paste in it, and he also afterwards he was trying to bring it out, and what happened, the lid stuck there and now it was rusty. But one day he went to washroom. He went to bath. I was just trying to spin it, and you know what happened, guys? I was just trying to do like this. I'm not. I was just trying to do like this, and it spinned. That was too awesome. I just repaired it, and I didn't show it to him, and he was also too happy that I fixed it. And now the working one is this one. This is the smooth. You see, it can hypnotize you. I'll hypnotize you. I'll hypnotize you. Just see on my screen. Okay, guys.
Next spinner.
You just show them now the.
It's the back. It's a plastic spinner, but the cool thing about this, if you colored wax inside this, there's the pink color wax, the red color wax, the white color wax. If you see, that's blue colored some little part, and this is the green colored wax. Let's spin it. See, it's super cool, awesome, and is spinning.
So now, guys,
This
it's
is the
next me.
chance.
So, guys, the next is the fidgeting cube. You can buy it for 500. So this is also 500. Most of the fidget spinners are of 500, and it's too in the starting. It's too difficult to balance it in a thumb, but he did it. See, no, please, we'll show them in the last.
Okay.
So guys, now it's Nandesh.
Next spinners are these two both. So that gave me these,
Sugar, both of them.
and this is cool.
Oh, we have 5 minutes left, Nandesh.
It has Udit chance.
We have less time to go. It's the Iron Man spinner. I'll just love it, and we don't have time, so we have to do it quickly, but not that much quickly. So it's super smooth. It can walk like this, and it's
Next is the silver spinner. It's pretty cool.
Wait.
And it works pretty awesome. And is a Chrome Edition spinner. I live in India. My father bought it from US.
It's
Next.
available in India. Next is the flask spinner. It's awesome, and you see how it spins. You know, if you are doing like this now with these fingers, it's these nibs hurts you. So I don't prefer these spinners, these big kind of spinners. So it's not this.
Next is the Iron Man 3-sided spinner. Is pretty cool. Same as the Chrome Edition. Next is a chance.
So guys, the next one is the green Chrome Edition. It's one more Chrome Edition, and when you spin it, it's like this, super smooth. And it's the second, the Chromes one are two cool bros. These are cool.
Next is the last spinner. It's for $4.99. 500 same is for under 500 rupees, and it's like this. It's a Batman spinner. If you can see easily, there's the Batman sign on 3 sides.
So guys, now he's done, and now he will show you the only. Okay, let's leave it.
How to balance the spinning cube. See guys. So you take it, hold it between your thumb and the index finger. See.
Okay guys, you can do it, but now it's not happening. Guys, please comment down below if you like this video or not, and which spinner you like the most, and please like the video and please subscribe. We'll try to make these videos every day, but now these are our holidays, so we are able to make it every day, but I don't know when we'll not able to make it every day. So guys, please don't say that I am not making videos, because they are my UTs also, then we'll not be able to make it from any time. Now okay guys, bye.
And subscribe also.